It's going to be the best Valentine's party ever. Yes, but what can we do after we decorate the living room? We can bake cakes or make Valentine's cards and sing a song and dance and jump. Oops, she's getting carried away again. Leah, calm down. We haven't finished yet. Right. Well, I'll get the last decorations out of the box. It's empty. There aren't any decorations. But there are lots, right? My room looks so great. Of course it looks pretty since I put up all these decorations I found in the living room. Well, it needs a little something. That's it. Now it's the best room in the world. Yay! Everything's so pretty. Can I help you with the decorating? We'd love that. But the decorations have disappeared. We don't know where they are. Do you know? Me? No idea. If Lady doesn't know either and they aren't here, perhaps we should look in the garden. Let's go. Nothing. Here there's just trees and lots of grass. No sign of the decorations. I'm tired of looking for them. And I'm sleepy. Can we have a nap? But what about the party? Maybe we should do something else. It's not the same without the decorations. I really wanted to make cupcakes for everyone. Don't worry, Connie. You can make them another day. I have something to tell you. I took the decorations. What? Why did you do it? I wanted to decorate my room. And why didn't you say anything? I was embarrassed. I'm sorry. It's all right, lady. We can tell each other everything because we're friends. You're right. Thank you for reminding me. Wow, it's so pretty. The cupcakes are ready. It really is the best Valentine's party ever.